Hi, grade 5. So today you guys are going to be using what you've learned about separating mixtures to solve this problem. So I'm going to read through the problem with you and then explain what you guys need to do. So Jonas just got a job with United Delivery Service, and on his very first day he already got himself into trouble. While getting his deliveries ready, he dropped them and spilled all over the inside of his truck. How can he get them sorted in time for delivery? The spilled items are salt, birdseed, paper clips, and sawdust. So write your plan to separate the 4 items. So what you need to do is use any of the techniques we've learned about for separating mixtures and write how you're going to separate the birdseed, salt, paper clips, and sawdust from each other. When you're finished, you can submit your assignment.